For years, my workflow just hasn't been optimized. I've been jumping between so many different apps just to get a single project done. I'd edit a video here, fix a photo over there, create some sort of presentation in another app, and it's just honestly a mess. Then I started to use Canva Pro, and today I'm going to show you how it replaced 6 essential applications for me and how it could do the same for you. Now, this isn't a Canva tutorial. This is a review of how I've completely streamlined my workflow inside one single application. And by the end of this video, you might realize you don't need half of the tools that you're currently paying for, and you might even save some money. So just as a quick note for the pros out there, I know a dedicated tool like Photoshop is way more powerful for specific tasks as it pertains to photo editing and things like that. But ease of use and convenience are game changers. So go easy on me in the comments, or not. YouTube likes it either way. And yeah, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about Microsoft PowerPoint. I build a ton of presentations for work, seriously, at least 4 or 5 a week, but I don't have PowerPoint installed on my home computers. That means I'm stuck using my work laptop, which creates a bunch of unnecessary friction for me. With Canva, I can build and access my presentations from anywhere, including my phone. Not only does it simplify the entire creation process, but it also comes with over 600,000 pre-built presentation templates to help me get started. What I love about it is the flexibility. I can build a presentation and then instantly turn it into a video or a document or really whatever I want to turn it into. Plus, it has real-time collaboration features, so if I want to edit something with someone, I can, and it's seamless. So is it more powerful than PowerPoint? No. Do I like it better for my daily use? Absolutely. And the best part is you can easily export your Canva presentations into PowerPoint formats. So there's no compatibility issues from using Canva and then putting them over into PowerPoint. Of course, a great presentation, it needs some great visuals, which brings me to the next application I want to talk about that Canva can easily replace, and it did for me, which is Envato Elements, which is a stock asset library, right? And there's all kinds of different sites like this. I used to spend a lot of time and money, around $198 a year, on stock sites, searching for photos, videos, and graphics for YouTube videos, websites, and presentations. Now I can just search directly in Canva for my photos, videos, graphics, music. It's all right there, exactly where I'm working. For example, if I want a video of a man smoking with like a serious background sound and a big red X popping up over it with like a Family Feud buzzer sound, I can build that entire scene right inside of Canva Pro. The access to over 100 million premium assets is a game changer. It's a really big deal for me. But having premium assets is only half of the battle. You also need to be able to edit them, which brings me to the next tool that it's helped me to replace, which is Photoshop. Now I have to admit, I still pay for the Adobe suite because my wife uses Photoshop and I love Premiere Pro, so I'm not saving money here. But if you don't use these apps often or you find them too complicated, Canva Pro can do a lot of cool things with image editing. For me, opening Photoshop, just to remove a background or crop an image, it's just complete overkill. It breaks my workflow, it slows me down. Just everything I truly need to do with images can be done easily inside Canva. Canva's built-in edit tools let me remove objects, swap backgrounds, and instantly enhance photos. Many of these editing features are even driven by AI, which brings me to the next app it replaced, ChatGPT Plus. I'm not saying Canva can do everything ChatGPT can, but for what I need from a generative AI standpoint, I could easily cancel my ChatGPT Plus subscription and save that money. I already have Gemini Advanced anyways, and with Canva's AI features, I'm pretty much covered. The key thing for me is not having to leave the app. Canva uses different AI models like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and even Anthropic's Claude to help with all kinds of different tasks throughout the platform. And speaking of AI, it's kind of the same story as it pertains to like voiceovers. Which brings me to 11 Labs. Before Canva, if I ever need a voiceover, I'd have to go record it in another app, use a text-to-speech tool, then download that audio file and import it into my video editor. It's just a junky process. Now I just paste the script into Canva, pick a voice, and it's automatically synced to my video.
This is beyond easy to record a voiceover for a video. It'd be very cool.
Does it do everything 11 Labs does? No, but it does more than enough for what I need it to do and saves me a little cash. And honestly, here's what really impressed me more than anything else within Canva was its ability to do spreadsheets, which could replace Google Sheets or Excel. With Canva, I can upload a spreadsheet, say a CSV file, and it instantly turn into a polished infographic, a branded report, or a presentation slide that actually looks fantastic. I just upload that data, auto-generate a chart, drop in some icons, and it's done. Again, it's all about how seamless everything is. Everything just works together very well in this ecosystem. So now instead of like bouncing between 6 different apps, PowerPoint, Envato Elements, Photoshop, ChatGPT Plus, 11 Labs, Google Sheets, I can handle everything in a single place. No app switching, no lost files, no broken focus. It's all about creating a smoother, more efficient workflow. If you want me to show you some more of the lesser known Canva Pro features that most people really aren't using or talking about, why not help me out? Hit the subscribe button or maybe leave a comment. And YouTube thinks you're really gonna like this video right here, so go ahead and click on that and I'll see you in that next video.